So, hello, fellow yobbos, how you going? Today is a beautiful day. Thinking I should make a video a day because, hello, new subscribers, if you're out there. My subscribers keep going up very, very slowly. This channel is actually not too popular. So today, anyway, I'm going to say shorten words that start with B. And I've got my beautiful list here, if it isn't backwards. So the first one we have is biscuit, actually, and biscuit we shorten to bicky. So I'd like to have a bicky, please. That's basically how you say it. Then we have barbecue. That one's up the top, but you know, I'm illiterate, and we call that a Barbie. No, like the Barbie doll. You call, let's put the bicky on the Barbie. Beautiful. Next one we have is bookkeeper. So a bookkeeper is someone that you place bets with. It's what we call a gambling addict. So a bookkeeper is a bookie. So you go to the races, you place a book on the bicky and see how fast it's going to cook on the Barbie. Okay, the next one we have is breakfast. For breakfast, we say brekkie. So for brekkie, I'm going to have a bicky that's been on the barbecue that we went to the bookie and see how much we can make for how quick it's actually cooking. And the last one we have is brizzy. Maybe I'll do a video on how to pronounce Australian capital cities. So Brisbane, we just call it Brizzy. So you don't want to eat a bicky from a Barbie in Brizzy. Okay, so that's basically all I'm going to talk about today. Next video will be C's. Then we go D's, E's and F's because there's not many actual words in there. So you can see, I'll just read off this. There's probably a lot more out there that we actually shorten that, you know, when Yanks and Poms come over to go, bloody hell, don't know what the hell he's talking about. Yeah, right, me. Neither do I. Because my accent's stuffed. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my video and have an awesome Corona indoors. Take care.